Hello, this is a recording for Friday, February 13th. Today's practice is titled True Freedom, Pure Awareness. It is designed to rest the body and mind and return to the source for freedom and peace. Make yourself as comfortable as possible in this moment. Body and head fully supported. Getting ready to do nothing. This time is just for you. This practice is just for you. There are no shoulds or shouldn'ts. There is no way you can do this wrong. This is about you. This is for you. Closely tune in to what your body or mind might need to more fully relax in this moment. Answer any request from your body or mind. All requests are equally welcome. Do whatever you need to feel supported, held, and free to release tension. Your body and mind are astonishing, useful parts of your being, and yet, still, there is more to yourself. The deepest part of you is there through it all, aware of every experience, ever present. Present in the experience of the physical body, present when the body is resting, present in the experience of the mind, and even when the mind is resting, as in deep sleep, there is a thread that remains, the essence of your being. It is awareness. Beyond body, energy, mind, you are awareness. Pure awareness without any trappings. Unaffected by any state of body or mind. Eternally peaceful and free. Your essence is peace. You are peace. You are the peace you've been looking for all along. Rest now in the sublime beauty and peace that is you. You in your deepest essence. Pure awareness. Eternally peaceful and free. Rest in the state of true freedom, apart from body, apart from mind. Pure awareness. effortless. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.